So as most of you know, small airlines such as Frontier and Spirit Airlines, they usually get a bad rap. But what if we're just not flying them right? Well, I tried it for myself, and me and my husband flew from Raleigh to San Juan, Puerto Rico for only $357.96. They were one-way tickets, but they saved us a lot of money.
Hey, if traveling is your thing and you're looking to save money while doing so, then follow me on my journey as I give tips and tricks on how to save money while traveling.
But yes, that is right. Only $357.96 from Raleigh, Durham to San Juan, Puerto Rico. Only a 3-hour and 20-minute flight. And it wasn't bad at all. Here's what we experienced. So what we realized and what I seen at the gate was that most people will try to fit so many items in a carry-on, and then it ends up being too big, and then they get to the gate and they have to pay $99 for a small carry-on. That doesn't make sense at all, especially when you can check a bigger bag for a half the price. So what me and my husband did was we actually took 2 large bags and checked them in, and we only paid $53 per bag. We paid $106 total. So that took our total flight to $463. Divide that by 2, that's like $231 to get from Raleigh to Puerto Rico. These were the size of our 2 bags. We were going away for 8 days, so we wanted to fit as many items in our bag as possible. So anyway, this is everyone waiting in line with their carry-on bags, hoping that it fits the personal size, because if they didn't pay to carry it on, they're going to have to pay. So anyway, so this is us waiting in line behind a few people trying to get onto the plane. I mean, the line wasn't that bad, and you know, this is to be expected when you're boarding an airline, is that, you know, sometimes it's going to take long. But anyway, we got on a plane and there's 3 seats on each side. It was a fairly big plane. However, there wasn't much leg room at all. This is our leg. I mean, we're fairly normal sized people, but we didn't have any leg room at all. And it's funny because the pilot said that they forwent leg room to fit more people on the plane so they could save money. Hey, if leg room isn't a big deal to you, then there you go. But what you need to watch out for is these prices. They don't offer you any free snacks, any free drinks, so you need to bring that on ahead of time. So look at this, $6 for cookies, $3.50 for soda, for juice. I recommend packing your snacks ahead of time. See what's TSA approved, and if you're going to get hungry for that flight, then go ahead and pack it in advance. We didn't have any snacks. We just waited till we got off the plane. 3 hours and 20 minutes wasn't bad. And this is when we arrived to San Juan, Puerto Rico. The airport wasn't busy at all. I mean, we just walked right to baggage, picked up our bags, and we were ready to go. And this is just us waiting for bags that's coming out of Raleigh, Durham. It took about 5 to 10 minutes to see our bags come down, but hey, we were on vacation, we were in a rush, we were just waiting for our bags. After we got our bags, we went and got a taxi and we went to our hotel, the Aloft Hotel, and I'll have a review coming for that here shortly. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.